Yes, good morning, children. Already we learnt subtractions, borrowing subtractions, and now we are going to learn about subtraction facts and addition facts. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 is an addition fact. For every addition fact, we have two subtraction facts. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is the bigger number. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. These are the two subtraction facts you can get from this addition fact. So, take the bigger number 9, subtract this number once, this number will be the answer. And take another time the bigger number 9, subtract this number, the other number will be the answer. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. Take some answer, the bigger number here, 28, subtract this number once, 28 minus 12, automatically this will be the answer. 16 will be the answer. 28 minus 16 will give you 12, and these are the two subtraction facts which you can obtain from a addition fact. And in the same way, from a subtraction fact, you can get one addition fact. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. If you add this answer and the subtrahend, you will get the minuend. Add these two smaller numbers to get the bigger number. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. This is the addition factor you can write from a subtraction fact. Here 84 minus 12 is equal to 72. You need not actually subtract, just rearrange the numbers to write addition facts or a subtraction fact. 84 minus 12 is equal to 72. So add these two smaller numbers so that you get this bigger number. 72 plus 12 is equal to 84. However, bigger number that is, you need not worry. 400 minus 150 is equal to 250. What will be the addition fact? Add these two. 250 plus 150 is equal to 400. In this way, you can write two addition facts, two subtraction facts for an addition fact, one addition fact for a subtraction fact. Now let us go with word problems. Yes, children, we are going to learn word problems on subtraction, and the keywords to identify the word problems on subtraction are how many are left over, how many are remaining, how much more or less. These are the keywords to identify a problem on subtraction.19 here is a problem for you. A fruit seller has 435 fruits and he sold 219 fruits. How many fruits are left over with him now? So solution, number of fruits with the fruit seller. What is given? Number of fruits with the fruit seller. How many he has? 435. And what is the other information given? Number of fruits sold. So write the information given, the data given first. Number of fruits sold, that is 219. Now we have to find out how many left over. For that, you have to subtract the number of fruits sold from the number of fruits he has. So 5 minus 9, it is not possible. 5 less than 9, so borrow. From these 3 tens, borrow 1 10 to this. 10 plus 5, it becomes 15. And as 1 10 is borrowed, we have 2 tens here. 15 minus 9. Start counting after 9 until you get 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 you got, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So how many fruits are left over with him now? 216. So if you arrange the data in a proper way and if you identify the operation that is subtraction, you can easily do that. Coming to the next problem. Here is another word problem for you. There are 472 trees in the first garden, and in the second garden there are 119 less trees than the first garden. Find the number of trees in the second garden. So in the first garden there are 10 trees. In the second garden there are 3 trees less than the first. Then how many trees are there in the second garden? 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. In the same way, here there are number of trees in the first garden is 472. Write what is given first. Number of trees in the first garden is 472. And number of less trees in the second garden. How many less trees are there in the second garden than the first? 119. If you subtract this 119 from 472, you can easily get the number of trees in the second garden. So, number of less trees should be subtracted from the number of trees in the first garden. 472 minus 119. 2 minus 9. It's not possible. 2 less than 9. So borrow. From 7 tens, we have to borrow 1 10 here. 10 plus 2, it becomes 12. It becomes 6 here. 6 tens. Now, 12 minus 9. Start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12. 3 here. 6 minus 1. 5. 4 minus 1, 3. So, 353 is the answer. Number of trees in the second garden is 353. So, subtract the number of less trees from the number of trees from the first garden. Then you will get number of trees in the second garden. Yes, children, let us learn or know about the properties of subtraction. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number as difference. 9 minus 0, 9. 27 minus 0, 27. 400 minus 0 is 400. Because 0 means nothing, we are not taking away anything from the given number, so it remains the same. So when 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number as difference. And the second property is when 1 is subtracted from any number, we get the before number as difference. 8 minus 7. So when 1 is subtracted from 8, 7 is the before number, it is the answer. 30 minus 1 is 29, the before number of 30. 524 minus 1 is 523, the before number of 524. And when a number is subtracted from itself, we get 0 as difference. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 5 are there and we have taken away all the 5. The difference is 0. 38 minus 38, 0. 415 minus 415, 0. So when a number is subtracted from itself, we get 0 as difference. And children, many exercises are given in this chapter 4, and worksheet is also given at the end of the chapter in page number 68 and 69. And worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.